What's up guys, Eric from B-Sonic. Today I'm here at AT230 and Shin here did an amazing job just installing the front camera, B-Sonic front camera system on this brand new Toyota Sienna. So let me go ahead and do a quick demonstration on how it works and how useful it could be for your daily Toyota Sienna van. So let's go inside the vehicle, and inside the car everything here looks normal except for this air suspension controller. Alright, so we have a new button over here that we installed. This is for the front camera, and then when you push it once it shows the front camera and it shows you exactly where your lip is and where it could end. So when you're parking, you know where to stop, whether you're pulling into your garage or you're driving in some parking lot with a big curve, you don't want to bust your front lip, it shows. And then if you press the button one more time, it shows your backup camera, and this will show even while your car is driving. So it's pretty cool device. You're driving, you want to see how close the rear car is to you without putting into your reverse gear, you just push this button twice, and then you press it once, front camera, press it another time, reverse camera. And there's also a timer on this where it will automatically turn off after a certain amount of time depending on how you want to set it. And you could also set it so that it's speed sensor dependent, so that when you're slowing down your vehicle and you reach parking lot speeds, the front camera will turn on automatically, so that right before you park your vehicle, the front camera will automatically show, so you don't have to keep pushing on the button. So very cool feature. And let me show you how it mounts to the front of the vehicle while Shin is cleaning up the wires. So here's the camera here. Shin did a very great job mounting it, looking like factory, and it's black colored to match the front of the vehicle, so it looks stealth. And if you look in here, this is how he wired it. He has a loom right here, and he made this custom bracket that extends from back here all the way to the front, which was carefully measured and bent perfectly so that it has that perfect positioning on the front grille. And then for the wiring, this will extend all the way here to the left and through the firewall from the passenger side, which comes out from here, and then we'll connect to the radio, and behind the radio connects our backup camera interface, the CS10 EP. It's a plug-and-play install and very easy to connect. Alright guys, well this was a very quick and fast video just to do a quick demonstration on our CS10 EP on the brand new Toyota Sienna. If you have any questions, drop a line below, leave a comment, email us at info@bsonicusa.com. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe for more future content and help us by giving us a like on this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.